fully automatic tin can closing machine. The whole machine with a transparent blue acrylic cover, multiple protection and safe. Adapts PLC control the machine. Touch screen is easy to operating and maintain. The can turning machine flip tin can on the conveying line. Automatic servo metal can seaming machine. The electrical components are internationally renowned brands, which make the equipment run more stable. The service life is extended, the maintenance cost is saved, the replacement is more convenient and quick. Suitable for packaging in food, beverage, leisure food, pharmaceutical and chemical industries, etc.